Our cognitive performance is fundamentally tied to our physiology.
Let's look at the uplink, the primary highway of our internal communication. Notice the massive bandwidth disparity. 80% of vagal traffic is afferent, streaming data from the heart directly up to the brainstem. This bottom-up signal carries critical telemetry like pressure rate of change and mechanical stretch. Ultimately, you cannot simply think yourself into a state of coherence. You must force that signal up from the chassis to optimize the system.
The vagal brake is our primary mechanism for optimizing physiological stability through frequency matching. It begins when high-amplitude afferent traffic enters the nucleus tractus solitarius in the medulla. After integrating this cardiorespiratory data, the NTS sends a targeted vagal signal upstream to mechanically inhibit amygdala firing. This effectively downregulates the reticular activating system, serving as a manual override of our threat detection software to restore systemic balance. Our cognitive performance is fundamentally tied to our physiology. This model illustrates the vital connection between the body chassis, your heart and lungs, and the executive command center of the prefrontal cortex. This link is governed by the vagal brake. When this switch is engaged, we achieve resonance, bringing the brain online for optimal emotional regulation and working memory. However, in threat mode, that brake fails, shifting us into a reactive state. To perform at our best, we must maintain the neurovisceral coherence that keeps our executive functions sharp.